What did you know about hummus about 10 years ago? Hummus is a staple in Mediterranean-style cuisine, and it's become very popular among U.S. consumers. It's versatile, it's high in fiber, and it's also nutritious. Hummus is made from chickpeas, which are also called garbanzo beans. Technically, you can substitute any white bean. And remember that all beans are part of the pulse family. Pulses in general are notably nutritious. They're high in folate, they're high in fiber, they're high in protein. And even better, they count either toward the vegetable group or the protein foods group. So let's make hummus with about 5 ingredients, and you can add some extra ones if you'd like. To make hummus, we start with a 15-ounce can of drained, rinsed chickpeas. So let's start by pureeing our chickpeas. You can use a food processor or a blender. Next, I'm adding tahini. You may not be familiar with this. This is sesame seed paste, and it adds our characteristic flavor to hummus. Next, we add 1/4 cup lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice would be preferable, but you can use bottled. Next, we're adding 3 minced cloves of garlic. Next, I'm adding a teaspoon of salt. You can add less if you prefer. Finally, we're adding a little bit of cumin to taste. This adds an exotic flavor, and we puree until smooth. This easy and delicious recipe for hummus makes 12 servings. Each serving has 70 calories, 3 grams of protein, and 2 grams of fiber. This is Dr. Julie bringing you from field to fork. Until next time.